Far-field antenna measurement system. Basic principles of operation. System can be used both in the field and in closed premises. System technical specifications depend on characteristics of used equipment and instruments according with requirements of customer and can ensure measurement bandwidth from 2 to 26 GHz and dynamic range up to 40 dB. Depending on use type of testing, signal antenna measurement system works in frequency or in time domain. Resulting characteristics always are represented in frequency range. In conventional antenna frequency domain measurement systems, the sine wave signal is used in most cases. Received signal suffers from interference and actually represents a sum of main signal and plenty signals with different amplitude and phase reflected from walls, ceiling, floor and other adjacent objects. To overcome this problem, all equipment is placed in special room anechoic chamber with coating that does not reflect or absorbs the electromagnetic waves. For measurements in all required frequency range, measurements must be performed for every frequency separately. Time domain measurements system. Main features and advantages. Short electrical pulses are used as testing signal in antenna time domain systems. Initially, signal is searching by moving the wide time window along time axis with internal or external time delay units. When signal is found and time window is shortened so that all reflected signals turn out from time window and do not participate in calculations. Pulse good temporal stability, low drift and jitter. High sampling rate allow very effectively enhance signal flash noise ratio (SNR) using multiple averaging technique. With a pulse of picosecond duration, it is possible per one shot to cover a spectral range up to some tenths of GHz. Wiring diagram. Far-field time domain measurement system. Systems components. Digital sampling converter SD203 TMS with sampling unit SU3126. Technical specification. Number of channels to bandwidth of channel from 01 to 26 GHz. Noise factor RMS 16 mV. Short time triggering instability jitter 10 ps. IE 25 picoseconds RMS, time base from 0002 to 200 nanoseconds per division. Pulse generator mainframe GC1160L2 with pulse generator head GC1117DN25. Technical specification. Polarity negative. Amplitude no less 25 volts. Pulse width 0.5 amplitude level no more 30 plus minus 2 picoseconds. Insertion jitter of output pulses RMS no more 2.5 picoseconds. Double-edged hem horn antenna with lens GZ01 to 6 DRH. Technical specification. E-plane H-plane gain. GZPU 1/10 positioner with pylon and controller. Technical specification. Tripod with rotation gear head. Technical specification. Personal computer and space and display zoom of selected signal area, acquisition and recording of signal in different formats, XY histograms, live signal filtering using built-in digital filters, signal processing using built-in real and complex functions and operators, more than 200 functions, marker functions, creation of an application, macro commands using built-in language. An antenna measurement system software. Polygon provides comprehensive operation control of system components, computation and graphical representation of measurement results. The software has built-in modules for far-field measurements for antenna under test, antenna pattern in Cartesian, polar coordinates and 3D space gain curve. All measurements are carrying out in automatic mode. Available options: EZAR and RCA measurements. SAR measurements, Indoor Far-Field Time Domain Measurement System. Practical implementation. Software. Polygon in real-time live mode draws antenna pattern in Cartesian coordinates at selected frequencies. Post-processing. In post-processing mode, the saved data can be recalculated and a lot of additional characteristics can be drawn. Normalized antenna pattern. Antenna pattern in polar coordinates.